Okay, welcome back. 2020 container garden side project. I've decided to make these sad looking cucumbers a side project. I don't think these are going to last very long, but I want to see and I want to follow how well this works. So I mentioned in one of my previous videos, these were in cups way too long, very root bound. I have so many other ones that I didn't want to get rid of them. I always feel bad killing a plant, so I didn't want to get rid of them, but I just don't have any more room to hold them for the healthy plants. So what I did was I put them in a little bit bigger pots, and they've only been hardened off now for 2 days maybe. One of them might have been hardened off a while ago, and then it got too cold and I brought it back in. But either way, not very much hardening off. The days that they were hardened off, they weren't in direct sunlight. So it looks like they're about to die. They're not looking, at least they're not looking healthy. So what I'm gonna do is, rather than get rid of them, we're gonna put them in these little containers, and I'm gonna water them. I'm not gonna do anything else with them. And let's just see how it goes. Let's see how important the hardening off process is, and let's see if they're able to thrive at this condition, staying outside. Now for the temperatures are going to be in the 60s. I think one day 74, nights are going to go down to 40, so it's going to be cold for them. But rather than just pitching them and getting rid of them, we're going to give them a chance to see what they do. So keep watching for the updates on this video. I will do more of these side projects, and you can look at those and see how things are working.